Breaking. Go to page layout. Click on breaks. Click on next page. Double-click on top of the page. Disable link to previous. Write anything in header. And close the header. Page are totally break. See the result.
Word processing software. 1. Creating a new document. Open your Microsoft Word app on your phone. Tap on the plus icon or the new button. Number 2. Typing and editing text. Type your text in the document. Use the toolbar to format text, bold, italic, underline, etc.
Auto table of contents. 1. Adding headings. Select a heading text. Tap on the Home tab and choose a heading style. Heading 1, Heading 2, etc. 2. Inserting table of contents. Tap on the Insert tab. Select Table of Contents. Choose a style if prompted. 3. Updating table of contents. Tap on the table of contents. Tap Update Table when prompted.